Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Acute Tech Online Digital Communications. In today's class, we are going to be talking about how how we can use our mobile phone to create graphics, flyers, business card, ID card, and a lot more. Now we are going to be working on with an app in which I will be sending to you alongside the video and the link where you can get the application now. Yes, the application is the Pixel Lab. Yes, the one in my screen. We have different kinds of app. Yes, but the one with alphabet P is the Pixel Lab. This is used in order to design different kinds um, graphic designing projects, like either flyers, graphics, and business card and ID card, anything, church program, flyers, and also banner. You can use it to design it on this kind of app using our Android phone. Now, in order to dive into the course, let's click on the course on the application to begin the course. Now let's click on the Pixel Lab application. Yes, this is the interface of the Pixel Lab. Now I will walk you through the interface to show you some little things before we now move to the major designing of flyers, logo, ID card, business card, and so on and so forth. Now the first one is the template of the Pixel Lab. Yes, we begin with the background. Yes, the ones I'm touching here, the part I'm touching here is the background of the what? Of the Pixel Lab. The Pixel Lab app. This is the background. Yes, the second one is my project. This in the down part of the screen. You can see my project. This is my project. Yes, this is my project. You can see all these ones. These are the flyers, the the poster that in which I've designed using this app. Yes, my project. These are all my project. All what I've designed that have been saved on this Pixel Lab. Yes, and the next one is background. You can also pick any kinds of background. You can pick this one. You can decide to pick this kind of background. These are backgrounds. These are background templates. So anyone you can choose, you edit it and use it to design your projects. Yes, and now at the down part also we are having the A letter. This A letter. Yes, this A letter, you can see immediately when I click it, it gives me two options, the text and the quotes. Yes, this deals with text, so you can use it to write any text in your background. Yes, text. You can see it gives you the text. You can draw it. You can write. Let me delete this. Yes, you can see the text. Yes, you can see under the text I'm having the style. I decided to change the style of my text. Yes, by browsing. You can browse through. You can realize the text, change the text. You can see how it's changed. The new text has changed. Yes, I can also edit it by putting anything. Can edit the text by deleting it and put Benga. Yes, you can see I have edited it. I can also delete it. Yes, you can see I've deleted it. You can add another text to it, edit it, and also write my name Benga. Okay, you can see this is the text, and I can decide to change the style. Browse and also change this. I put it to this. You can see. So these are it. I can also copy it. Yes, by clicking it. You can see I'm still in the letter A button, letter A icon. You can see under this icon, letter A icon, there are different types of tools you can use to design your text, to format your text. Yes, you can see. You can see. Mm. So that is it. Copy. You can see it has double it. I can copy it again. You can see it has doubled into 3. So I can decide to delete it again, delete each one of it. I click it, I select it, delete it again. So now let me proceed. Yes, this font, if you want if there is a background, there is a background and you want your text to be at the front of the background. For example, let us create a background. Yes, let's create a background. So but I'll be later let's create it. So you can pick a shape to cover the text. Yes, you click mark. Yes, you can see if you want the text to be at the front of this shape, you can select the text, you can bring it and also select it back to be at the back. You can see at the back the text has come out. So we are still on the text. So now we also have position. If you want it to move by the right, by the left, or the right or the left, if you want it to go up, so you can position it, and after you have positioned it well, you click on the mark button. So and so on and so forth. Size, if you want the text to be big, you can see, to let the text to be depending on the size that you like, so you click mark. So and so on. Paddling, if you want it to dress front or backward, and so on and so forth. You have the color. If you do not like the color red, that color red, you can change it to yellow, you can change it to black, you can change it to red, you can change it to any color that you like. Yes, any one of it. So and so on and so forth. Opacity, you don't want it to show, you want it to be light. You can see, you want it to be light. So this is an introduction to mobile graphics. I'm just telling you, using this medium to teach you how you can use those tools in which we can use to design flyers and on Pixel Lab. And also rotate, if you want the text to rotate, you can see, if you want it like this on your background or anyhow, so like you click it. So and also fonts, you want to change the fonts and decide to change, beautiful fonts are there. So any font that you like, you can decide to pick this. You can see how it will look like. Font, it depends on your style. You can decide to pick this. And see, it depends on your style. So you can decide to pick this. Depend on your style. You can see, you can decide to pick any one that suits you, that you like best. And decide to pick this. You can see. So style, do you want it to be bold, you want it to be italicized, you want it to be underlined, and so on. You mark it. You want it to be curved, you can see. So these are the tools we use in designing flyers, business card on Pixel Lab app. Yes, you want it to have background. You can see which color the background, you can just give it a background effect. Which color do you want the background to be? Is it color red, or is it color any color? So any color of your choice, and you click. You want the text to be at the middle. Adding is a series of text. You can decide to create it to make it to be at the middle. So also you want it to have a space, you want the word to have space or the letter to have space. You can see in between them, you can use it also. So also the stroke, you can decide to add stroke to your text. Of which color? Let's use color black to see it deeply. You can see this stroke. You see the way you want the stroke to be broad. If you want it to be, if you don't want it to have stroke, so you can put it here. You can see it will make the text beautiful. Shadow, create shadow to it. This kind of shadow, is it color red? Let's use color red. You can see shadow effects. You can see you have inner shadow, that is in between the curve, the shadow, the outer shadow, and the inner stroke. You can see you can decide to pick color, the one that will show very well so that you can see the effect. Let's pick color, this color. You can see, inner shadow. So and emboss, that it will make your text to be shiny. You can see that's how it will look like, to make it shining. You want it to rotate. You can see 3D rotates. You understand me now? 3D rotates. So I'm teaching you how to use the tools that are in Pixel Lab. You want it to have a 3D effect. You can see these are 3D effects. You can see the way you want it to be broad. You can shorten it also, and you can decide to add color to it. And decide to add color. You can darken it. You can decide to add color to it. You can decide to add color. Since the effect is not much, this is a broad. You can see, make, and so on and so forth. You can decide to add a reflection. You can see this is the reflection. If you want it to be close to the text, you can see. So these are the tools we have used it. I've tell you how you can use. I've just tell you how we can use the A tools. You can also go to this shape tools. You understand? The shape tools is used in importing sticker. So you can import sticker to your design. You can put it here. You understand me now? So you can put it here, the sticker. You understand me now? You can and so on and so forth. Many kinds of sticker. Maybe there's a person's image in which you have brought to the background of the Pixel Lab. You can give the person's head a cap for him to put on. You can see. So these are what